gang, today is Monday, November 1st, and I hope you're doing absolutely lovely. It should be a gorgeous week, so let's get outside and soak up some of that sunshine, especially tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, it happens to be election day here in the United States, which means you have until about midnight tonight to make your final electoral college predictions. That's right, the electoral college prediction challenge window will close tonight right around midnight, so make your last minute picks, adjustments, tweaks, whatever it is that you want to do, and just know that tomorrow, as we are all tuning in to watch the results, I know I will be. I will likely be up late. Just know that it is totally normal for us to not know the winner tomorrow. There's millions and millions and millions of ballots that need to be counted, and in some states, some important states like the state of Pennsylvania, the state in certain areas is not even allowed to start counting some of the ballots until Wednesday. And so it is not at all a requirement or an expectation or whatever it is that we have our winner by the time we go to bed tomorrow night. We very well might not know until Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, and that's normal, that's expected. So don't listen to whatever the people say when they're out there saying, we need to know, or we must know. Remember, kind of like we talked in class, it's probably more important that we accurately count all of the votes that were cast, rather than be like, good enough, let's just declare a winner. Well, by the way, so anyway, let's have some fun with that. Let's enjoy kind of the Electoral College Challenge. I hope you tune in, and we'll be sure to talk about it on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday as those results play out. Hey, speaking of results, on to today. You're going to be checking some results. That's right. You have a little chart, a little half-page chart that you either have in your possession or it's also linked in Google Classroom. It's like your study guide. Study guide, you might say. Well, yeah, that's because we have a quiz, a government quiz on Wednesday. So your first task today is to fill in that chart. Just fill in the blanks and just kind of fill it in. You should be able to kind of figure out what goes where. And then after you have it all filled in, there is the answer key. Again, go ahead and check your answers. Now, remember, you could totally just copy down the answers from the key and not use your old noggin. That's your choice. That's fine. But remember, there is a quiz, and you should probably at least test yourself and then check your answers. After you have completed that chart, there is a quizzes. The link is in Google Classroom. There's a different one for each hour, so please complete that quizzes. You can do that one as many times as you want, but please do it at least once. And then there is a GIM kit. The GIM kit is also assigned, and the links will also be there in Classroom, again, by hour. So please make sure that you click the appropriate link, but you should do both of those. Those are not like optional things, those are like required tasks. Filling in the chart and checking it with the key, doing the quizzes, and doing the GIM kit. All of those are required tasks. When you are done with all of those, if you're feeling good about the quiz on Wednesday, then your day is basically done. Nothing else you really need to worry about. If you're not feeling good, continue to study, continue to prep, continue to review. Send me a message to see if there's anything I can do to help. But that's really all that we have for today. Up in the class resources tab on the classwork page, there will be a government specific post that will have a bunch of links, as well as today's assignment post. So there's a couple of places that you can find all of those things that you might need to get ready for our quiz tomorrow. That's really all I got. Yeah, truly, I wish we could watch the results come in live together tomorrow. We can't, so we'll have to wait until Wednesday to see kind of where they're at, to see what we know. Again, knowing that we probably won't know the winner of the election when we wake up Wednesday morning, and that's totally a-okay. We'll know it soon enough. Anyway, I hope you're doing great. Let me know if there's anything I can do. Let me know if you need a hand. Remember, be good to each other, be good to yourselves, and make good choices. See ya.